we're going to look at an example of a program that adds an encryption function to passwords before we start coding in the next lecture. In the previous example, we saved the password as plain text like this. Plain text means it's readable text that anyone can understand without having to guess what the password stored in the database is. This is actually quite risky because anyone who can access this database can use the password to log in. Now, moving on, I'm going to teach you how to add a function that increases the security of our program, which is by encrypting the password. After the password is encrypted, it will look like this, see? So, this is one-way encryption, meaning it's only one direction. We can't decrypt these passwords. From what I've researched, if you want to decrypt this kind of data, it would cost hundreds of thousands of dollars or more. With just our program, it's definitely not valuable enough to justify spending that much to decrypt it. So, I'm going to teach you how to make our program more secure by adding encryption. So, up until now, our program looks like this. When you open it up, it looks like this. The username is displayed, and the password is also shown. Of course, in real use, you wouldn't display the password like this. Now, let's look at an example of the program with the added functionality. I'll close this program first. This is the sample program. I'm going to log in. This is what it looks like when I double-click to enter. Here, the password is hidden. Now, the password I just entered looks like this. This admin1 here, that's the password I just used. Let me show you with another user. I'll log out first. For the next logout, I'll use admin9. And the password, see? The password is right here. But when I type it in here, it's a short, simple password. But once it's encrypted, it becomes long like this, which makes it hard to guess. And if someone wants to hack this password, they'd need quite a bit of knowledge and a decent budget. Alright, now I'm going to try logging in. Using this information, I'll try logging in as admin with the password 1234. Find admin9, this should be it. Admin 9012. Logging in with that, it goes through. Once we've saved it, you won't be able to see the password anymore. If you want to make any changes, you'll have to enter the password first. Okay, so we'll start working on password hashing in the next lecture. For this lecture, thank you very much.